Hello everyone, welcome to Webmaster. In this video, we would like to show you how to add the emergency alarm rule chain to the ThinkMaster OTA. Every time there was an emergency signal, then it will update the information to the alarm list. Let's see how can we add the rule chain. First, go to the rule chain section, and in this section, you can see the root rule chain, where in the end, you need to apply the rule chain to the root in order to activate the alarm. Let's add a new rule chain. Add the emergency alarm as the name. Then click Add. Now you can click on the emergency alarm folder. Here you will see that a dashboard that's similar with the Node-RED. It has the input block, which is received all of the input from the device. And now let's drag a script in order to filter the input. And let's give a name to the script as emergency alarm. And then here you may need to change the rule. As you can see that the emergency alarm is triggered by a button that connected to the DI, and then it means that we need to make a rule which is all of the input from the DI that's over 0, it will trigger the alarm. Now after we configure the filtering script, now we need to drag the action block. In this case, because we need to create the alarm information, so we drag the create alarm block. And then we may need to change the rule information from the create alarm here. So now we can type what kind of detailed information that we want to show into the alarm information. Now we type the details equal to metadata device name, and then what kind of information that we want to show. In this case, the information is about the DI change status. Don't forget to put the rule name, which is emergency alarm, then click Add. After we have the create alarm action, and now let's drag the clear alarm action. The action name here is to clear the emergency alarm. Don't forget to change all of the name to emergency alarm. And then click Add. After that, the last thing that we need to do is pull a line from the input to the filtering script, and then from the filtering script to create alarm. The clear alarm here we have to label as true action, and then for the clear alarm here we have a false label, and then click Add. After that, we can apply the rule chain. And now, after the emergency alarm rule chain has been set up, now let's go to the root rule chain in order to apply the emergency alarm that has been created. We drag a rule chain block, and then we add the emergency alarm, then click Add. After that, we need to pull a line from the save time series to the emergency alarm rule chain and give a success label, then click Add. And now one emergency alarm rule chain has been created. And then let's test it to our demo environment. Here we have a demo environment. that use the SCP, and in this demo environment we have the push button as well. So let's try to push the button. Okay. So as you can see from the maps, the icon will change to the orange color, and then a new line of emergency information has been created. As you can see here, it has emergency alarm information. So in this case, the control center just can directly handle the problem. So they can check from the list what kind of problem is it, and if they already solved the problem, the control center just can directly click acknowledge and then clear the alarm. Thank you for watching.